Okay, let's do an example here. We're going to find an equation of the plane through the point 2, 4, negative 1 with the normal vector 2, 3, 4. Okay, so just as a quick sketch here, let's see here.
It's 10, 15.
Thank you. So we want it through the point 2, 4, and then down 1. Okay, so we want it through this point, and then the normal vector is going to be 2, 3, 4. Okay. So in my mind, if this vector is normal, then my plane is kind of like that. Okay, that's a good way to sketch it. Okay, so equation of the plane is going to be fairly simple because we have a formula. Let's do the vector equation. The vector equation is going to be n dotted with r minus r naught equals 0. So for us, that would be 2, 3, 4, dotted with r is going to be for us x, y, z, minus r naught is going to be 2, 4, negative 1, equals 0. Okay. And this, actually computing this dot product, gives us our scalar equation, which is going to be 2 times x minus 2. Let me make sure I'm not going too fast here. So if I subtract this, I'll get x minus 2, comma, y minus 4, comma, z plus 1, right? And then remember, for the dot product, we'll have 2 times x minus 2, okay, plus 3 times y minus 4, plus 4 times z plus 1, equal to 0. So we have here our scalar equation, and we've got our vector equation. Okay. And then the last thing we want to do is we've got find the intercepts and sketch the plane. So we've got the x-intercept, y-intercept, and z-intercept. Do you remember how to find an x-intercept? You're going to set y and z equal to 0. Okay? So let's see here. So we already did that. Right? We could have multiplied it out, but that's the formula that we gave. Okay? Let's see here. So to find the x-intercept, set y and z equal to 0 in the equation. So here's our equation. And if I set y equal to 0, and if I set z equal to 0, then I've got 2x equals 12, so x equals 6. Okay? So that means that I've got the point 6, comma 0, comma 0 on the plane. Now I can set x equal to 0 and z equal to 0, and this will give me the y-intercept. And in this case, y is going to be equal to 4. So I've got 0, comma 4, comma 0 on my plane. And lastly, I can set y and x equal to 0. And z is going to be 3. So I've got 0, comma 0, comma 3. Okay. So now that I've got my intercepts, it's really cool because having all three intercepts will allow me to draw a triangle, and this triangle is going to tell me is going to allow me to easily draw or sketch the plane. So 6, comma 0, so I'm going to come out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then 0, comma 4, comma 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 0, comma 0, comma 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now this is how I was taught to sketch it. And the idea is now you've got a plane and you can see kind of the direction of your plane, right? The normal vector would be coming out like that. And there you go. So that appears to be quite different than what I drew. And that's one of the benefits. One of the benefits of actually finding these intercepts is you're able to have a more accurate sketch. Because I don't know what that doesn't look at all like what it should look like, right? But this looks a lot better. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, see this looks reasonable, decent. And again, I like to just let these go a little bit further so that it's clear that we're talking about a plane and we're not talking about just a triangle. Okay? All right.